Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy. In this video, we'll be talking about the history of Sony Vegas Pro as well as some similarities and differences, and at the end of this video I will give my honest conclusion and recommendations. So with all that being said, let's start with the video. Sony Vegas Pro is a video editing software originally published by Sonic Foundry, then by Sony Creative Software, and now Magix. Sony Vegas Pro was originally developed as an audio editing software. It eventually developed into an NLE for video and audio from version 2.0. Sonic Foundry initially introduced a sneak peek of Vegas Beta on June 11, 1999. It was called a multi-track media editing software. Sony then continued to introduce subsequent newer versions of this video editing software. A game changer of which was the version 3.0, which introduced newer video effects like lens flares, color grades, and among others, and batch capture, which had automatic scene detection. Sonic continued to publish a more refined video editing software, but later on that year, Sony Creative Software would acquire Sonic Foundry's desktop product line as a new subsidiary. Vegas Pro would then continue under Sony Creative Software starting from 5.0. Version 8.0 is the first version to go by Sony Vegas Pro. Version 8.1 is the first version to be ported in 64-bit systems. Version 9.0 is the first version to start supporting 4K resolutions for digital cinema. Sony Vegas Pro version 13.0 is the last version to be developed solely by Sony Creative Software. It introduced new collaboration tools and streamlined workflows for professional content producers, available in 3 configurations. On May 24, 2016, Magix Software Company officially acquisitioned large portions of Sony Creative Software products, including Vegas Pro and Movie Studio. Version 14.0 is the first version of Vegas Pro to be released by Magix Software Company. This version upscaled the 4K editing with various bug fixes and higher video velocity. Magix would then continue to release subsequent variants, like Sony Vegas Pro version 17, which continued to innovate by introducing new features to improve the video editing landscape. Magix Software Company recently released the latest version of Sony Vegas Pro 18.0 last August 8, 2010. So that's the brief history of Sony Vegas Pro. But I wonder, well, Sony Vegas Pro is a really good editing software. It's the software that I use to edit my videos. But there's also one mainstream software that a lot of people recommend that you use when you edit videos. That would be Adobe Premiere Pro. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to have a comparison between Adobe Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas Pro. In this part, we'll be tackling the similarities between Sony Vegas Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro. So both platforms allow easy, creative, and editing textiles. Both softwares have really good interfaces, but Adobe Premiere Pro seems to be better since it allows better customizable layouts. Both have color control editing, but it seems that Adobe Premiere Pro is better. Both allow basic audio mixing, but Adobe Premiere Pro has really good audio mixing with links to Adobe Audition. Both allow simple organization of files, and both have basic plugins, but it seems that Adobe Premiere Pro has more because it has a vast number of third-party plugins available. So with their similarities, both are really competitive. Now let's check their differences. Sadly, Sony Vegas Pro is only for Windows users, while Adobe Premiere Pro can run on Mac and Windows. For Sony Vegas Pro, software payment is a one-time payment, but it's very expensive, while in Adobe Premiere Pro, it is subscription-based, but it can be pricey over time. One good thing about Sony Vegas Pro is that it allows 4K editing, while Adobe Premiere Pro does not. One sad thing about Sony Vegas Pro is that it doesn't allow motion graphics, so no video effects for motion for objects. While Adobe Premiere Pro, you can do a lot with effects. Another thing is that Sony Vegas Pro does not have other application integration. While Adobe Premiere Pro, you can integrate with other Adobe programs. Another bad thing about Sony Vegas Pro is that it doesn't allow user collaboration. When Adobe Premiere Pro, you can collaborate on multiple platforms. So both softwares are really good, but it seems that Adobe Premiere Pro is the king as of now for video editing software. So it seems that both softwares are really good. They're very good for professional work. So it's time for my honest conclusion and recommendations. So both softwares are great for practicing professional video editing. They create really good video outputs that are generally the gold standard for video editing. If you are starting, it might feel intimidating to start with Sony Vegas Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro, so I recommend a more user-friendly video editing software like Filmora. It will give you a great idea on how to format video, and if you are up to it, try to gradually improve your editing software into Sony Vegas Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be linking my YouTube channel down below in the video description. Please do check it out. I need subscribers. I need to reach 1K subs. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, Kulurama out.